The Office of Management and Budget, OMB, said in a statement of administration policy. House Republicans had an opportunity to engage in a productive, bipartisan appropriations process, but instead, with just over 2 months before the end of the fiscal year, are wasting time with partisan bills that cut domestic spending to levels well below the FRA agreement and endanger critical services for the American people. These levels would result in deep cuts to climate change and clean energy programs, essential nutrition services, law enforcement, consumer safety, education, and healthcare. The Biden administration would seek to block the Military Construction and Veterans Affairs, MILCON VA, and the Agriculture Appropriations bills. The document said that additional spending cuts and other policies result in unacceptable harm to clean energy and to energy efficiency initiatives that lower energy costs and critical investments in rural America. The document claimed that the Republican measures would harm the administration's policies on diversity, equity, and inclusion, LGBTQ+I initiatives, and their anti-climate change policies. The draft bills also include numerous new, partisan policy provisions with devastating consequences, including harming access to reproductive health care, threatening the health and safety of lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, and intersex, LGBTQI+ Americans, endangering marriage equality, hindering critical climate change initiatives, and preventing the administration from promoting diversity, equity, and inclusion. The Biden administration also slammed the Republican appropriations bill for blocking the Biden administration's move to expand access to abortion through the Veterans Affairs, VA, department. It would also bar LGBTQI flags from being flown at VA locations. The White House said that it opposes efforts to crack down on diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. The Biden administration said that its approach helps advance equity for all, including people of color and others who have been historically underserved, marginalized, and adversely affected by persistent poverty and inequality, and cultivate a workforce that draws from the full diversity of the nation.